This is for the days you don't recognize yourself, when the world has dimmed your light and you're left wondering if it'll ever come back. This is not the end of your story. These words aren't to hype you up. They're here to help you remember who you are. You were never meant to stay broken. You were made to rise. Breathe in. Let's begin. I am not my past mistakes. I am the strength that came from surviving them. My confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from choosing to try again. Every time I rise, I rebuild myself stronger. I am allowed to take up space, even when I'm healing. I trust myself, even when I feel uncertain. My worth isn't tied to how others treat me. It's mine and mine alone. I don't chase validation. I honor my own voice. The version of me that's emerging is powerful, grounded, and unshakable. I am not broken. I am rebuilding. Quietly, fiercely, authentically. I release the need to rush. Healing is not a race, and I am exactly where I need to be. I release the shame of starting over. Each beginning brings me closer to myself. I have survived everything I once thought would break me. That is power, not weakness. My confidence is not loud. It is steady, quiet, and unshakable. I do not need approval to heal. I am already enough, even while I grow. The world does not define me. I define myself, with every choice I make to rise again. I honor the strength it takes to keep going, even when no one claps for me. I am proud of who I am becoming, piece by piece, breath by breath. I forgive the version of me that didn't know better. She was doing her best. He was trying to survive. I still am. I will not shrink to make others comfortable. My truth deserves to be seen. My healing isn't linear, but it's mine, and I'm proud of it. I do not chase closure from others. I give it to myself. Confidence is choosing to trust myself, even when I feel uncertain. My story is not over. I'm just on the rising part of the arc. Every scar I carry is a reminder. I made it through. I allow joy back in, not because I'm healed, but because I'm healing. My presence is powerful, even when I speak softly. I am enough. I am rising. I am rebuilding. I trust that everything I've been through is shaping something meaningful. I am not defined by what I lost. I am empowered by what I've learned. Every quiet step forward matters, even if no one sees it. My confidence is rooted in who I am becoming, not who I used to be. I no longer carry shame for what I needed to survive. I give myself credit for continuing, even when it's hard. My voice matters, even if it trembles. I am building a life I no longer need to escape from. I am proof that even the softest hearts can rise from the hardest places. I no longer wait for perfect timing. I move forward when it feels right for me. I celebrate small victories because they lead to big shifts. I believe in who I'm becoming, and that belief is enough to keep going. Let this be your reminder. Confidence is not something you fake. It's something you reclaim. And every time you speak these words, you are choosing to rise again.